Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we were practicing GKGS for the upcoming RRB NTPC exam, and this is the second mock test. So make sure to watch the complete video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, let's start. Question number 1. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the creation or abolition of legislative councils in states? Option number A is the right answer, Article 169. Question number 2. The Bering Straits separates which two continents? Option number C, Asia and North America. Question number 3. Mahavir attained Nirvana liberation, that means at which place? Option number C, Pavapuri. Question number 4. Which famous book was written by the Greek philosopher Plato discussing his ideas of an ideal state? Option number D, The Republic is the right answer. Question number 5. Which Buddhist text mainly deals with the rules and disciplines for monks and nuns? Rules and disciplines. Option number D, Vinaya Pitak is the right answer. Question number 6. Ramanujacharya is regarded as a great philosopher and saint associated with which school of thoughts? Option number B is the right answer, Vishishta Advait Vedanta. Question number 7. In which year was India's first nuclear reactor Apsara commissioned? Option number B is the right answer, 1956. Question number 8. Which of the following pairs of country and its capital is correctly matched? Option number A is the right answer, Canada, Ottawa is correctly matched. Okay. Question number 9. Which of the following international organization has its headquarters in Paris, France? Option number D is the right answer, UNESCO. 10. Which of the following is an example of a phylum Arthropoda under kingdom Animalia? Which of the following is an example of phylum Arthropoda under kingdom Animalia? Option number C is the right answer, butterfly. Question number 11. What is the approximate pH value of a pure water at 25 degrees Celsius? Option number C is the right answer, 7. Question number 12. Atal Tunnel, India's longest highway tunnel, is located in which state or UT? Option number C is the right answer, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 13. Rickets, a disease that causes weak and soft bones in children, is due to the deficiency of? Option number B, vitamin D. Question number 14. Tapi River flows into which of the following water bodies? Option number A, Arabian Sea. 15. Which of the following plants belongs to Bryophyta? Which of the following plants belongs to Bryophyta? Option number D, moss is the right answer. 16. Myopia is commonly known as? Option number B, short-sightedness or nearsightedness. 17. The cabinet mission came to India in which year? Option number C is the right answer, 1946. 18. The Kaveri River water disputes primarily involves which two Indian state? Important question. Option number B is the right answer, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Question number 19. Jim Corbett National Park is located in which Indian state? Option number A is the right answer, Uttarakhand. Question number 20. Central Drug Research Institute is located in which city of India? Option number B, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. 21. Python was developed by? Python is a programming language was developed by? 21. Option number B is the right answer, Guido van Rossum. 22. Humayun Nama was written by which famous Mughal personality? Option number C, Gulbadan Begum. 23. Sponges, which are simple invertebrates, belongs to which phylum? Sponges belong to option number A, Porifera phylum. Question number 24. Which is the largest country in South America by area? Option number C is the right answer, Brazil. Question number 25. What is the full form of ASCII? Option number B is the right answer, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question number 26. Mahatma Gandhi was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress in which session? Option number A is the right answer, Belgaum session 1924. 27. Which ancient Buddhist text contains stories of Buddha's previous births? Which ancient Buddhist text contains stories of Buddha's previous births? Option number D is the right answer, Jatak Tales. 28. The travel account written by Ibn Battuta is known as? Option number C is the right answer, Rihala. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a member of country of SAARC? Option number B is the right answer, Myanmar. 30. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on which day? Option number A is the right answer, 5th June, World Environment Day. 31. Rani Ki Vav, a famous step well, is located in which Indian state? Option number C is the right answer, Gujarat. 32. Which of the following movements was associated with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Option number D is the right answer, Mahat Satyagraha. Question number 33. Who wrote the famous Hindi novel Tamas? Option number C is the right answer, Visham Sahni. 34. Who was the first Indian governor of RBI? Option number B is the right answer, C.D. Deshmukh. Question number 35. Who is the author of the famous Sanskrit work Gita Govinda? Option number D, Jaydev is the right answer. 36. Which new political feature was introduced for the first time through the Parliamentary reforms? 1909. Right? Option number B is the right answer, separate electorate for Muslims. 37. Which bacterial disease is also called Hansen's disease? Option number B is the right answer, leprosy. 38. Sahitya Academy was established in which year? Option number C is the right answer, 1954. 39. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? Option number D is the right answer, Carlos Linnaeus. 40. Which report was published by the British government to justify the action of General Dyer after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Jallianwala Bagh massacre was happened in 1919, 13 April. Option number B is the right answer, Hunter Commission report. 41. Lichen is a symbiotic association between or symbiotic relationship between. Option number C, algae and fungi. 42. Lichen is considered an indicator of. Option number C, air pollution. 43. Yen is the official currency of which country? Option number D is the right answer, Japan. 44. The formula of NNP at market price is. Option number A, GNP minus depreciation. 45. Madam Kama hoisted the first version of Indian flag in. Option number C is the right answer, Stuttgart, Germany. 46. What is the full form of NIU in the context of information technology? Option number A, Network Interface Unity. Network Interface Unit. 47. What does URL stand for in computer terminology? What does URL stand for in computer terminology? Option number A, Uniform Resource Locator is the right answer. 48. Abhijit Banerjee, an Indian origin economist, won the Nobel Prize in Economics in which year? Option number C is the right answer, 2019. 49. Which was India's first experimental communication satellite launched in 1981? Important question. Option number D, Apple is the right answer. And the last question, the interaction between living organisms and their physical environment in the biosphere is studied under. Option number C, ecology is the right answer. Well, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it will help you a lot. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.